Let's come to the formatting. So what is formatting? All the formatting options are available at home ribbon. So this our home ribbon. So some points need to be remembered, that is cells retain their formatting until you change it. And Excel auto picks the cell format based on the value entered in it. I'll come to the Excel sheet. So now we have the data, but we want to make it beautiful, and that beautification can be done by the formatting option. So I'll come to the data part and select this. So I just want to make the beautification on this particular data set only. So I'll go to home, and here we talked about we have the formatting option. So what I'll do, I'll choose a different text style here. I'll go with something beautiful, like I'll choose Arial black here. Okay, so now my content is looking like this.